Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to learn about the features of Java, also known as Java buzzwords. So in this we have 11 types. That is, first one is simple, second one is object oriented, platform independent, portable, robust, secure, dynamic, multi-threaded, distributed, interpretive, and high performance. So let's see that how Java is a simple programming language. So in this we have three reasons. The first reason is it follows syntax of C language, as well as it follows OOPS concepts of C++ language. Okay, so it becomes very easy if you learn C and C++, because Java follows the syntax of C and C++ language. Okay, so the second is Java eliminates the complicated and complex concept from C and C++. Second reason is eliminates complicated concepts of C and C++. So what are the complicated concept of C and C++? In C we have pointers, which is the most complicated concept in C. Okay, and in C++ we have operator overloading and multiple inheritance. Okay, and also the third reason is if an object is no longer used, the garbage collector releases a memory from the for the object. Okay, so it takes less execution time and less memory. So there is a garbage collector which deallocates the memory automatically. Okay, if the object is no longer in use, so then the garbage collector releases a memory for the object so that others can use it. Okay, and time also will be less for the execution. Let's see the second one, that is object oriented. Object oriented. So Java is an object oriented language. The data is represented in the form of object in this. Okay, so what is object? Object is a real world entity. Okay, like example, taking pen or fan or any other object. Okay, so in this Java is a partial object oriented language. Okay, so in this Java is not the 100% oriented language because of three reasons. Not 100% object oriented language. Okay, it's a partially object oriented language because Java do not support objected concepts like, first one is operator overloading, and the second one is multiple inheritance, and the third one is primitive data type such as integer, byte. So these things are not object. Okay, so it follows just three things. Because of the three things, it is not a 100% object oriented language because Java do not support these three things. Okay, the next one is platform independent. Let's see how Java is in platform independent programming language. Okay, so we know that a Java compiler compiles a Java program. So that means the Java compiler translate our Java program to bytecode. It translates our Java program to bytecode. Bytecode is nothing but class file. What is it? Class file. Once we get this bytecode or class file, then we can execute this bytecode on any OS. It may be Windows OS or Linux OS. On anything we can execute. When we get this bytecode, then on anywhere we can execute it. Okay, so that is why Java is called platform independent system. Here platform means OS. What does platform means here? It means OS, that is operating system. So Java is independent. Java do not support on depends. Actually, Java does not depend on any OS, and on any OS it do not depend. So once we get the bytecode, then we can execute the code in any OS. Okay, does not depend on any OS. After getting the bytecode, we can go for the execution. Okay, the fourth is portable. So why Java is called portable language? Portable means, let's see what is mean by portable. So portable means we can move the Java program from one hardware to another hardware. Move from one hardware to another. That is known by portable. Okay, we can move the Java program from one OS to other OS, one system configuration to other system configurations. That is why it is known as portable. Okay, that is why it is known as portable. Portable means what? Moving from one hardware to another hardware. Okay. Okay, so next one is, that is fifth one, robust. Let's understand what is robust, and let's understand why Java is known as robust programming language. What is mean by robust? Actually, robust means strong. Okay, it means strong. So we can say any programming language is robust programming language if it is excellent in memory management. And the second reason is exception management. Let's see what is memory management. Let's see how Java handles memory management. So Java is an excellent in memory management. Okay, so if an object is no longer used, then garbage collector releases a memory for the object. Automatically it releases if any object is not in use in Java. Whereas if we take C++, so in order to release the memory, we have to use separately delete operator for erasing the memory for the object. Whereas in Java, there is no need to release the memory explicitly. Automatically, garbage collector releases the memory for the object if the object is no longer in use. So in this way, memory management has been managed by using garbage collector, which automatically removes the memory which is no longer in use. The second one is exception management. So Java is also excellent in this exception management. So we have some libraries, classes, interfaces, by using which all those things can be handled to handle the exception in a better manner. That is why we say Java is a robust language. Like, let's understand this by taking an example. Like a divided by b, where b value is equals to 0. So what happened? B becomes 0. So this whole thing becomes undefined, right? So if comparing to other language like C or C++, this abnormal case cannot be handled by C and C++, but it can be easily handled by Java. By C it cannot be handled, but Java it can be handled by using some codes. It handled the abnormal situation. That is known as exception handling. So the first one is memory management by garbage collector, and the second one is exception handling. Okay, so this is what about robust. So coming to sixth one. Okay, Sixth one is security. Let's see how Java provides security. So Java is a secure language because in JVM, JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine. So in JVM we have security manager. Okay, so in JVM we have a security manager. The security manager will handle the security about the Java. Okay, so it manages security about the Java, this JVM. And we also have JAS. First one is this, second one is JAS. JAS full form is Java Authentication and Authorization Service. So it will take care of the security related issue. This JAS also will take care of the security related issue. And because of security reason only the pointers are eliminated in this from this Java. Because pointer violates the security. So that is why pointer concept was eliminated from Java. In pointer stores the address. So it's not safe, right? Suppose if we know the address of a person, so we can also know the information about them, right? So it's not safe, right, to know information about some person. So it's so it's like a security issue, right? So that is why for pointers also the same thing is being related. So the pointers are eliminated from this because of security issues. Okay, so that's why Java is more secure because of the elimination of pointers also, and these two also work as a security manager. Okay, the next one is dynamic. Let's see what is dynamic. So we know that the Java compiler produces the bytecode or class file. That class file will be loaded into the memory during the runtime or execution time. Okay, so if anything happens during the runtime or execution time, then it is known as dynamic. That is why we say that Java is dynamic programming language, because class file will be loaded into the memory during runtime. And the second reason is for primitive data type such as float and double, the memory will be allocated during execution time, not during the compilation time. So because of these two reasons, Java is dynamic programming language. Okay. So the next one is multi-threaded. Multi-threaded. So Java is also a multi-threaded programming language. What is mean by thread? What is thread? Thread means simple or small task. Suppose we have a program, that program will be divided into several tasks. Okay, where each task is a thread. This each task is a thread. So Java is a multi-threaded language. So Java executes multiple threads simultaneously. So in less amount of time we can execute the program because we have several tasks. Each task is nothing but a thread. We can execute all the threads simultaneously. So in less amount of time we can execute the program. So this was all about multi-threaded. The next one is distributed. Java is a distributed system. It means same application can be executed on several systems. Why Java is known as distributed language? Because with the help of Java we can develop network application, and because of that we can develop network application. And because of this network application in several system, so how we can develop? So in order to develop network application we uses RMI. What is the full form of RMI? It means remote method invocation. And we also have EJB, that is enterprise Java beans. So these all are advanced Java concept, and also we have web services also. Okay. So using these all we can develop distribution of network application. So that is why we say that Java is a distributed programming language. So the next one is interpretive. So Java is both compiled as well as interpretive based language. Java is both compiled and interpretive based language. So suppose we take C language and C++ language. So both are only compile based language. C and C++ are only compiled, but Java is both interpretive and compiled. Why Java is called interpretive based language? So we know that compiler produces bytecode, the JVM. We know that JVM is responsible for the execution of Java program, right? So JVM accept. Okay, let's see example. Let us assume our bytecode contains some lines. So JVM accept this first line. JVM accept this first line of bytecode, and then it executes that code. Okay, it accepts and it executes the first line. Then second one, again JVM accepts the second line of the bytecode and then accepts that code. Again JVM accepts the third line of bytecode and then it executes that code also. So on until fifth line it accepts and executes. Okay, so that is why it is known as interpretive. The line by line execution will be done. This is the reason it is interpretive. The 11th one is high performance. Okay, so high performance means we can say Java is a high performance language because of all above reason. Java is platform independent, object oriented language, robust, secure, dynamic, multi-threaded, and whatever we have interpretive also. So whatever we have discussed, because of those all reason, it's it's high in its performance. Okay, so because of all these reason we can say that Java is a high performance language. These are the various features of buzzwords of Java programming language. Thank you.